look everybody, where's the steering wheel at? It's on the right side of the vehicle. Got Mr. MJ driving us. First time here in Australia, Brisbane.
Got your classic Australian servo meat pie. Pretty good.
Which one is yours?
Steak and mushroom. You've got pepper steak.
Pepper steak.
Angel's got pepper steak. MJ's got the Angus beef. Is that action?
Yeah.
Welcome to the Canungra pub. First beer in Australia. Here we go.
Right.
Cheers.
Cheers.
That's
There we go. Oh, nice. Yep.
And then we parked right up there above the pool.
Oh.
And we could see the light coming in. That was great.
Here at the O'Reilly's Resort.
You gotta go a bit. We are at O'Reilly's Canungra Valley Vineyards doing a wine tasting of some of our estate grown and the Stanthorpe estate grown wines as well. This is good.
All right. Here's our little villa. This is Angel's room. Check this out. Got a nice bathroom. Check out the tub. Woo-hoo. We're getting to that shit tonight. I am. Got a nice little fireplace. And then check out our view. Where are we at?
Brisbane. Shit.
O'Reilly's
Rainforest Resort Cafe.
Check out our view. We just came from a 12-mile mountain bike ride. It kicked our ass. We're chilling and we're gonna go to the pool here in a bit. But check out this view. On top of the Australian outback. How do you think it's going so far?
Oh, it's going great.
Right?
All we need is a little bit of sunshine and it'll be better, but this is great. I can't wait to do the Barrier Reef on the end of this week.
The end of the week, we'll be at the Barrier Reef, people. Barrier Reef! Boys are having fun today.
Then I will do it too.
Yeah.
And we did it. Elisa was out of bed.
Got up at 4 o'clock in the morning.
She got up and I was like,
just listen to the end.
Alright, so we're drinking, what is this? Casamigos Tequila, El Jalisco de Mexico. Alright, saludos. Let's get in line.
There we go. Salute.
Hey, hold on. Friends, family, and happiness.
friends, family, happiness.
It's Australia.
Aussie, Aussie, Aussie.
Ah. Wow. There he is. Hey, let me feed one. Alright, he's like,
You don't want the lime bug.
there you go, look, come here. Yeah.
Pistachios. Pistachios might be very different for him. But it's cool because so
They love nuts.
this big one.
Oh my god, look at this.
He collects blue things. So around his bower, you'll see blue stuff.
Oh my gosh.
Chill out. No, you won't be able to pet him. You won't be able to pet him.
Yeah, not
I'm gonna tell you, he's gonna bite you, and you're gonna deal with it.
That's fine.
The ladies
Get an
like you,
infection,
MJ.
they don't.
That's
Yeah.
essential.
I don't know if you're being sarcastic or what.
Here, give me your phone.
Let's see if I get one. Let's see if I get a bird.
Oh yeah, yeah. I don't want to give you pistachios because I like them. Oh my god, that one looks like.
Oh, there's 3 of them.
Come on, right here. Right here. Ow! Wow, check that out. Take a picture.
Relax. Look at me. Look at me.
How cool is that? That is crazy. How cool is that, man?
That's the male and female.
Well, how did that feel like?
I think I peed myself. It felt good.
That was. Whoa! Look.
Oh, somebody pissed. Oh my god! Look at this.
This is insane. I've never experienced this.
Oh, really?
MJ has. I never have.
These particular bowerbirds, they're
And they're very shy as well.
Right.
Mr. Satin, there's one left for you.
Oh, he's so. That one's
So I like to just call these Reggie. The yellow
Wow.
ones.
Look, these guys are like.
Yeah. Whoa.
No boundaries.
that's why I have
No personal.
Yeah, they're just.
Okay, all right. Well, you know what? Come on over. We're all gonna take a shot real quick.
Oh, let's see if we can try to get pistachios in your hand, and then we do a shot for the bird.
Let's do shots.
Salud.
Salut.
Shots. How cool is that?
Got the Regent Bowerbird and the Crimson Rosella with us today.
Nice.
I think I peed myself.
Come on, don't be selfish. Share with the other birds.
Heard him.
Tyrone, come on. Here, you must finish it up because I'm done.
Hang on.
Thank you. Thank you. There you go. Salud.
That was cool, man.
Beautiful.
And move closer, yeah. Going closer to the edge.
Ooh. No.
So make sure it's crushed.
Here, I'll get this one and you get that one.
Look. Come on, come on.
Yeah, sorry, buddy.
Come on, get in here.
Right through the shell.
Yeah.
We're following the trail.
Close your hands so you can
Oh,
get something like
hi.
get these guys.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Yeah, right there. Close your hand. Close your hand. Close your hand. Fuck the parrot.
Oh my god, now you're being picky.
Yeah. Look. Look.
Just
Here,
take a
wait up.
picture, man.
I'm taking something.
Come on. I need a.
I want
the
the yellow. Yeah, they're all fighting.
Right here. You want the yellow one right there?
Yeah, the little yellow ones.
Give me that
Run
one.
away from the red ones because they're bigger.
Yeah, but if you just blow at the red ones, they'll shoot. Yeah.
No, she's good. She's good.
There you go. Dude, there's two of them behind you. There's two of them behind you.
Hurry.
I'll take it so ready. This is great.
This is.
I almost got.
Well, everybody's heard about the bird.
Oh my god, this is Surfing Bird by the Trashmen. This is my favorite song of all time.
The bird is a word.
Oh, well, a bird. But bird's a word. Oh, well, a bird. Well, a bird is a word. Oh, well, a bird. bird. The bird's a word, well, a bird, bird, bird. The bird's a word, well, a bird, bird, bird. Well, a bird is a word. Chris, don't you know about the bird? Make everybody knows that the bird is the word. Oh, well, a bird, bird, bird. The bird is the word. Hey, guy behind the counter, the bird is the word. Hey, frightened little child, the bird is the word. Lady on the toilet, the bird is the word. Hey, don't you know about the bird?
Sure, everybody knows that the bird is the word.
Oh, well, a bird, bird. The bird's a word, oh, well, a bird. Again, I love repetition. Oh, well, a bird, bird, bird. The bird's a word, oh, well, a bird, bird, bird. Well, a bird is a word, oh, well, a bird, bird. The bird's a word, oh, well, a bird, bird, bird. The bird's a word, oh, well, a bird, bird, bird. Well, a bird is a word.
Here at a rate of knots at the end, and then I saw the drop off and I realized we're getting there. I'm like, wait, down gears now.
Yeah.
Before I get there. So hand on the brakes, try not to slide it.
There you go.
Better in a lower gear.
Keep going, keep going. Again, your lowest gear. Okay. Hey.
I slipped on a little puddle. And you know that
Jelly means jello. So if you're referring to jelly, like grape jelly, you gotta say jam.
Jam. And have some tea.
Got our good old enamel mugs coming from the Billy.
Here's our Billy tea.
Billy tea and damp.
And damper. We'll put in, where's the Vegemite?
No Vegemite, just
Angel, your favorite.
bit of snake fat and koala fluff. Good stuff.
All right.
You got to see the Billy swung.
All right.
Excellent.
So with the Billy, you got to swing it to get the thing.
Oh, okay. We're gonna see the swinging.
All right. Could lose it right here.
Oh yeah.
There we go.
There we go.
Good. Yeah, see these handles, they can come off. So you got to watch them.
All right. Cool.
That would be embarrassing if it went off the cliff. No, you don't see them.
Right.
Hey, let me show you the aftermath of the muddy bike ride. Ready to go.
Well.
Yep, you had a blowout there.
Yeah.
Also had a blowout. Yeah, there you go.
Lots of fun though.
Bikes are all worn in. Yep, that's mine.
That was a 12 mile.
12 miles.
How do you feel, brother?
I feel like every bit of that 12 mile ran through me.
Yeah, it was awesome. I had a good time. Who's this?
Crimson Rosella. It's my friend Roosevelt.
Hey. Do you speak?
Nope. They do their own little things, but yeah.
Very cool.
Yeah. Sunflower seeds are their favorite.
We saw this snake today.
get so much water?
I don't know how much we're gonna need. Alright, we're in the sauna at O'Reilly's. It's about 300 degrees in here.
That's a good one.
We're going on the Booyong walk. 10 miles.
10 miles.
Hey, did you jump in that spot?
Yes.
Yeah, no.
Oh yeah.
That's a cure-all.
Yep.
Dang, that is way out there. But those ones right there with the leaves are toxic. You can't touch those. Look into a fig tree once, host the egg. Wow. Look at that. Hello.
Holy.
Yeah. Whoa.
Yeah. No.
Big boys are on.
Don't do it. Just keep walking. Whoa. Dominic, stop. I'm holding on to all my shit.
Dominic, I'm not doing that.
Oh. I don't know. I'm looking straight ahead like I did with the bike. No, I gotta concentrate.
Whoa. It's like a trampoline. Oh, here's that thing you can climb. You gonna climb it?
You can go down. It goes up twice.
I think it goes up twice.
So there's
whole
one
thing?
platform
One
there.
platform
And then it
here.
goes up. It's just like a crow's
Way-
middle of the night. Nope, that's the part.
Make it to get to work there, huh?
Yes. It'll fit in. I'll do it for you. Whew. There we go. Yeah. Stand under the ladder, Dom. Hi. Hi, MJ.
It's better, yeah.
Dominic, there's a fungus among us.
And there's I don't know what you call those things up there, the ladder thingy, what do you call them?
Tree cup? What? The lookouts?
There you go. Were they all
Crow's
part of
nest.
this? There you go. That's even better. Was all that part of the
Which
original?
way?
As far as I remember, yes.
Go this way. I like this way.
It's been there as long as I can remember.
Let's go down where all the mosque is. And it's nice.
Ooh.
This is really nice to just wander around aimlessly. No direction really to go. It might not bite. Good morning.
So around here we've got spiny blue crayfish, literally blue crayfish.
Oh, there it is. Look.
Stick out here.
You see it? You see it?
Wow. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. What's that waterfall again?
It's called Morans Falls in Lamington National Park.
Morans. Morans.
We're at the top of that waterfall where it starts right here. Where are you going? Oh, okay. Whoa. Look at that. That is crazy.
Barn owls are the world's most widely distributed owl. And they're up there with, his face is doing the same thing. You won't find that one either. He's going to need help finding that. Help him out.
What's him out?
Help him out, help him out, help him out.
Oh, it's over there.
What? Oh, right here.
Yeah, there we go. Got it. Thank you. Right, for most owls, everything revolves around listening. I'm going to try and tie those two little scenarios up in a moment. Listening. They've got speed and agility on their side. Pull that one off. The barking owls hunt during the day with. Got this thing, can't see it now, so then relying on what look like whiskers. Did I get it? Where's the head? Where's the bottom? They can't see a thing up close. Everything's a blur. They don't lose hearing with age as we expect to, and the sounds they're tuned into is the soft sounds. Owls are paying attention to the sounds of creatures that are small enough to be worried. Even with the cover of darkness, all small creatures are desperately trying not to be noticed. Right, as owls go, barking owls can turn up anywhere, particularly here on the eastern half of Australia. Farmland, I'm led to believe, in the early days worked to their advantage of the grassland. Now, the reason you see them on the... a piece of meat dropped out of sight. The reason you see them on the busy roads, and apparently the busier the road, the better. So imagine the motorway through the Gold Coast. When you get a road as busy as that, little, if anything, happens on that grass verge. Noise in passing traffic? Yes. But we seem to be the only creature that have an issue with noise. Well, they're associating that bird with speed. The fastest animal on the planet is a peregrine falcon. They can crank up speeds of over 300 kilometres an hour in a dive, not level flight. Many other birds will overtake a peregrine in level flight. Maybe the kestrel. Bird moult will tend to get finished in seconds, but either way, that's the The grey and white you expect to see, they are the mature birds. It appears that nobody really knows what age they obtain mature birds. She's not the first of a kind to come in permanent care from first year. Surely someone in this country has kept a photographic record of that individual right way through the country. No one's put me onto it, but we're going to keep on with this girl. She's an orphan from the Victorian South Australian section. Average size for the girls is all the way to India. Lifestyle, well, they put it so right background. He's a 21-year-old, age known, even though he started life in the wild. Story I've been given. He was taken from an Aboriginal community, Alice Springs area. He was a chicks, that's nailing that part of it. Passed on to me from Desert Park. We've been together 17 years now. They are found over the entire... They're found over the entire continent, anywhere from the coastline through the rainforest. There's many accounts in popular rainforest walking areas which people disturb these regularly, as they're eating the likes of possums. And I've got a story to add from Cairns about a possum. A lady driving to work one morning sees one of these bouncing on the road, assuming it's been hit by a car, likes the idea that somebody will help, but not her, finds some people, give them the story, off they go. These people have found it, they've jumped on it, you're going to pin it down, so they pin this thing down, and there's a green possum, so you've got to be up in North Queensland, clinging on for dear life under one of the wings. How they got the possum off, don't know, nothing wrong with it. After a veterinary inspection for the bird, it was the vet that gave me this story. Nothing wrong could be found with the eagle. Everyone handling it said it felt ridiculously low. Told me of a long walk on a beach, returning on the same beach. Up ahead, there's two sea eagles on the sand on something. Couple get closer, two sea eagles leave. It was a freshly killed dingo. They told because they didn't see it happen. But I do remember them implying there really was just no other logical explanation. Too tight. There was no other logical explanation to it, and I've no doubt they could pull it off. Wow. Two sea eagles against even a large dog. On rabbits. Rabbits aren't native to us, we're just trying to get rid of them. Last weapon still in use in many areas is the calicivirus. Should the virus be successful, rabbits in any of those areas gone. What his wild cousins there be living on? Yet to be seen. A report suggests perhaps the reason why rabbits are so important for these nowadays is the size of the rabbit. Because we hold the record for extinction of mammals. Most of those lost species, they just happen to be.